Welcome back to the Garbage Kitchen. Today we're gonna make a char. This is usually for momo, but you can also have it as a side dish for rice. Now, let's get to the ingredients. FYI, I'm doing this in bulk. So I'm using 10 tomatoes, 10 to 15 cloves of garlic, chili peppers, I'm using 10 to 12, but it depends on how well you can handle spice. I'm using half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 of fenugreek seeds, 2 tablespoons of roasted sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts, salt according to your taste, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. This is used in every Nepali achar to enhance the taste. First, turn to high heat, and then put in the oil. After 10 to 15 seconds of the oil being warmed up, we can put in our seeds. First one I'll put is cumin seeds. Next, the fenugreek seeds. And then, the chili peppers. Now, give it a stir. And then turmeric powder. And tomatoes. And then add salt. Now, stir it. After you're done stirring, put the lid back on and turn it down to medium. Make sure to check in between those 2 or 3 minutes. After 2 or 3 minutes, you open the lid and put in our garlic. Now put the lid back on. Lower it down to low and let it sit for around 5 minutes. Our tomatoes look nice. Now turn the heat off and let it cool down for some time. The next step is to let the achar cool down completely. Now that the achar is fully cooled down, we're going to move to our final step, which is to blend it with the roasted peanuts and sesame seeds. So, because I've done it in bulk, we're going to have to blend it in 2 rounds. But first, let's put on our peanuts and our sesame seeds. Now, give it a quick blend. After blending, it looks like this. You can store this for around a week because there's no water. Now, it's time to do the second batch. Our achar is finished, and you can add a lime, half a lime to it for extra flavor. And if you're allergic to peanuts, then you can skip the last step or blend the peanuts with the tomatoes. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Bye.